Alright, so just real quick, we're gonna change out the blades on this Kubota Z mower that I've got. It's a Z125s with a 54-inch deck. And we're gonna go with Kubota blades, or sorry, Gator blades for the replacement blades. Alright, so it's going to be a 30mm socket for these bolts that hold on the blades. And it's real sandy where we're at, so these blades don't last long. I got to take them off and sharpen them about every 3 or 4 cuts if it's been real dry out. Yeah, and you can see these blades have just about had it. I don't know how many times they've been sharpened. Probably quite a bit. So there's a little piece that hangs down right here. I just make sure that when the blade goes on there, it goes around that little piece that hangs down. Last thing you want to do is tighten your blade and then squish that, and I guess you buy a new spindle, or hopefully don't run it like that because it might fly out. And that's why I just do it by hand, so I know it's seated on there before I run it up with the impact. Alright, that's all there is to it. Pretty easy cheesy. And I just had a wasp land on my shoulder. That's not good.